Okay, we are back at it again with the Muraco. This time on 6S, and this time with some Badlands. I was going to bring the stock tyres back out, but I gotta be honest, I wasn't really feeling the stock tyres with this car. It didn't really work. I didn't feel they worked well on this terrain. You know, on 4S. Ow, I just got hit in the face by a rock. So I decided to bring out the trusty Badlands. They do give the car a slightly wider stance, which is not terrible. I don't mind that. And you know, the Badlands are proven to work well on this type of terrain. I've used them on so many cars. Oh, hang on. Did I see something? Oh, it's just grass. I thought, what the hell? It's just that. Okay. I saw something hanging off the car. I thought, did I break a link already or something? What's going on? Whee! Woohoo! Oh, what? That was the slowest rollover ever. Now, I didn't start the 6S run over at, you know, around the tree sort of thing, because they haven't really cut the grass since last week. And you can see by the markings on the ground here, we've had some rain during the week, and obviously people were running their BMX bikes or whatever here and kind of left all these ruts. Oh God, mozzies. It's very windy today, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay, because it is quite a windy day. I was not expecting it to be so windy. The forecast did not say it was going to be like this. But then again, when do they ever get anything right, right? Nice. Alright, 6S. Heaps of power. Lots of potential for stunts and carnage. Thing flies through the air really well. Ah, god damn mozzies, man. They're eating me alive here. Alright, let's swap positions. Okay, let's do some epic tens between mozzie bites, because they are absolutely caning me right now. You'd think that with the wind, they wouldn't... Oh my god. You'd think that with the wind they wouldn't be around that much, but they are. And they're huge too. Ah, piss off. Oh my god. They're killing me. I'm gonna have to get some fly spray or something. Oh, just over the pit. The wind is coming from the right, so it does have a bit of headwind. Oh, just beyond the pit. I'm really aiming for it today. Oh god damn. Sorry, the mozzies are just unbelievable. They won't leave me alone. Oh, they're all around me. Hold on, I gotta stop. Okay. Oh my god, these mozzies. What is going on? Oh no, the battery on my radio is going flat. No, we don't need that. And I didn't bring a spare either. That's not good. I should have charged it. I haven't charged this battery in a while. Wow. Man, this thing goes. Alright, let's see if we can at least do one backflip before the battery goes completely flat. Nope, we missed it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry about the beeping. Managed to recover that. Can we do any more? Can we do one more? One more, come on. We gotta... The wind is kind of stopping it from rotating midway, which is really weird. Let's go one more time. That's better. That was a proper send off. 6S with these tyres is just awesome. This thing drives really well. Like with these tyres, it just drives awesome. I really like it. But I am I'm real just got bitten on the face. I am worried that my battery's gonna run out. Kind of feels like, yeah. This thing's a lot of fun. Big send. Wow, this thing flies through the air so good. Oh. Handles really well. I really like this truggy. And with these tyres now, just lethal machine. Might have to leave these tyres on, I reckon. So much power on 6S. So good. Good control too. Get up for the trees, Vass. Alright, here we go. You see it slow down mid-flight because of the wind? That was crazy. Oh, no. Something's up, something's up. Something's up. Something's come off, something's come loose. What is going on? What did I mess up? Ooh. Hang on, something. Alright, hold on a second. Hold on a second. It was going so well. Turn my radio off as well. Okay, that's off. What did we mess up? Why was it? Oh, drive shaft come off. So it's hard to see on camera. My let me zoom out as much as I can here. We'll focus. So yeah, my drive shaft is completely out, which is odd. I don't know how that's come out. I find that interesting. But oh, that's how it's come out. Look at that. Look at the damage. Something's happened here. I don't know what I've done, but that's why it's come out, because the arm's completely out of whack. I was noticing something wasn't right. You know, it was steering a little bit weird, but I didn't pay much attention to it, and it looks like yeah. You can see the mozzie. Can you see that mozzie? They're freaking huge. Look at them. They're everywhere. So yeah, they're gonna have to fix this one. But I think I've given it a good enough run on 6S to kind of show what sort of performance you're going to get out of this thing. I'll need to find out what's happened there, and I'll update you accordingly. But yeah, I was really enjoying how this thing was driving. It was doing really well up until then. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.